your arms and legs inside at all times, and do not come to a complete stop on the track, sir.
Okay.